But then the Shvilei Emunah says, the grandson of the Rosh, says that Adaga I em kol acholi. Anxiety is the mother of all sickness. All sickness, all illness comes from anxiety, starts with anxiety. This is said almost 1,000 years ago. 800 years ago this is said. The anxiety that we have is what's destroying us. Of course there's sins, of course there's bad things, and so on and so forth. But those sins many times come because of anxiety. Many times come because of lack of confidence in Hashem. So what's the solution? Take this verse from David HaMelech, Psalm 55:23, and apply it to your life every day. He says the following: cast upon Hashem your burden, and He will sustain you. He will never allow the faltering of a tzaddik. Ashlech al Hashem ya'avecha, ve'u yechalkelecha lo yiten olam mot tzaddik. You have a problem? Talk to Hashem. You have a difficulty? Talk to Hashem. You have a lack of understanding of how something can work out? Talk to Hashem. You have a difficulty seeing the light in darkness? Talk to Hashem. You have no idea how all of this is going to work out? Talk to Hashem. You don't even know why He should answer your prayers because you've made so many sins. You don't even deserve for Him to answer your prayers. Talk to Hashem. Why? The fact that you trust Him is enough of a reason for Him to help you. Even with the sins. Even with all the wicked things. Why? Because if you trust Him, eventually you'll stop sinning too. If you trust Hashem really, eventually you'll stop sinning also.